What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay you guys, I'm right here where I left off in my last video, and we have a lot of cute new stickers this week by Crafter Square. We have just the cutest stickers, excuse me. We have this one, plants, kind of the theme of growing, good vibes, good things ahead. I think this one is new too. Let's see what this one says. Keep moving forward. Wake up. These are also new. Labeling stickers. Maybe you have some containers for your pantry and you want to label everything. We get 60 stickers in a pack. This one is also new. Sort of country. The little red truck. Aw, these are new too. Look at this one. The alpacas and the cactus. 13 in a pack. World's greatest person. Okay, world's greatest person. The world needs people like you. Eat, drink, burp, repeat. Best friend ever. Cute. All of the butterflies. Flamingos. Okay. Ooh, look you guys. Look what I just found. We have so many new things from Wet n Wild. If you saw my last video, in the other location, then you probably saw some of these items already, but we have the brand new Color Icon Rainbow Highlighter by Wet n Wild, and the color is Unicorn Glow. These were super trendy when they first came out. We also have the You Glow Girl Highlighter. This is the loose highlighting powder. We have a couple different shades. We also have the super pretty, aren't they pretty? Wet n Wild limited edition brightening rocks. These used to be in Five Below and they were $5 each. You guys, we also have the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Highlight Illuminator. Who's That Pearl is the color. But we also have, is that one different? No, that one's the same. So lots and lots of new items from Wet n Wild. And then of course, we still have some of the hard candy velvet mousse here in the color Sweet Pea. We also have the hard candy Marilyn Monroe collab, and this is in the color Sparkling Roses, and this is a liquid eyeliner. And then these are also still here, the Glitterazzi by Hard Candy. We have two colors. So we have lots of name brand makeup that's $10 and $12 in other places, $5 in other places. I mean, I really like Wet n Wild makeup, so I am always happy to see it here. Okay, do we have any new books? The Zuru. Okay, that's just a regular coloring book. I thought it was one of those ones that had the stickers. The Other F Word, and they're referring to family. School for Minions is here. This retails for $7.95. Point and Shoot. Just looking for new titles. The Fixes. To the Bright Edge of the World. The Merciless, Normally retails for $17.99. King of Spies, Girls on Fire, Amy Tan, First Person, Teen Hide. This is not over. This location always has so many word finds. Oh, and we have some name brand kids books too. We have Nick Jr. Top Wing. We have Disney Princesses. We have Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Snoopy and Woodstock, Toy Story. Aww. Toy Story. Let's take a look. Little comic books. The Crayola sticker activity pads. Ralph Breaks the Internet. Disney Frozen Sisters. We have cute mini color by numbers.
Milton to the office, please. Milton.
Aw, cute little color by numbers. So cute. I'm halfway tempted to get one for myself. We also have a SpongeBob color by numbers. Let's take a look. Aw, so cute. So cute. I don't know why I feel like doing a color by number, but I just kind of do. Care Bears, Paw Patrol, so many cute things. I love looking at all their little books because they do get a lot of name brand items. We have a new pizza puzzle. It looks like we have some new Ryan's World puzzles. Blue's Clues. Ooh, lots of bright new poster board. These are 79 cents each and 50 cents each. Yes, something less than $1 at Dollar Tree. What are these? Little squishies. They're calling them splat figures. Kind of like a fidget. This little guy. We have a dog. All the dinosaurs, all the sharks, all the grow toys. Those are always fun for summer. We have hero capes. Perfect for dress up, perfect for Halloween. Googly, funny creatures. These are cute. And then we have these foam dinosaur hats. We have a few different colors, a couple different shades of green, blue, and purple, and they're really foamy. What are these? Soft little bath toys. And this is such a great deal. The base plates, and they're Lego compatible, and they're a really, really nice quality. But yeah, you guys, I am getting ready to head to yet another aisle to share even more items with you guys. We got to see what else is new for the week. My other location had so many new items, and this location is always stocked. So nice. So I can't wait to show you guys even more. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.